What's going on, guys? So I'm heading back to, as you can see, I'm in the airport. I'm heading back to Florida for about a day. We're gonna go and do our home inspections on the properties we're buying. So I'm gonna show you that. And I'm also gonna meet with the association because they wanna meet with me in person. They don't wanna meet with me on Zoom for some reason. That's very strange, and they wanna meet me in a vacant house. So I hope you guys come along so you can, we're gonna watch my back in case they try some funny stuff. My mom told me to be careful because there's a hot spot right now in Florida for the virus. But that was us a couple of weeks ago here in Jersey. So I'm not too worried because I lived through that. So I think I'll be just fine. So the skies are starting to open up right now. It's been about a 30-minute delay since I was supposed to board the plane, but I think we're on our way. We're finally here. Look at the entrance to this place. It's beautiful. Look at the woodpeckers. They're everywhere. Yeah, this place is gorgeous. The landscape is mature, it's beautiful, it's diverse. It doesn't look like something they just built last year and everything is cookie cutter. Everything has style, and it really is different than anything I was able to find out here. And the crazy thing is I stayed here as an Airbnb to look for other places around here to live, and I ended up falling in love with this place because it was just so nice, and half of the units are always vacant because people in other states own them and they just use them a few months out of the year, so there's barely anyone here. Well, here's the property. As you can see, this is the outside. It's got a very nice Floridian look with the tile roof and all the stucco exterior. All the homes are pretty much similar, very much the same, and the streets are always empty because the only people who come in here are the people who live here. Now let's go ahead and take a look inside. Got the home inspector waiting for us in here. Let's hope he didn't get too far ahead of himself because I want to make sure I point out some things to him too. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to negotiate some money, at least the money to pay for the home inspector off of this home inspection. Let's go inside and take a quick look. Alright, so here's the sneak peek. Living room, foyer. This lady has like 3 different types of tile on the floor, so I am going to have to update that sooner or later, but right now it's definitely livable. It's got a nice open air vibe, a lot of light coming in. It's really nice. I mean, I like it. The kitchen's pretty much original, but it's working and it's in great shape and it's white. So I could live with that for a little while. It doesn't have to be brand new. All the appliances are going to be changed out, obviously, once I renovate the kitchen. All right, our work is done here. Now let's head back to Jersey. What's up, everyone? So we're here on this beautiful rainy day in New Jersey, and today I'm bringing you by one of my properties that's currently under contract, and this is the part that drives me absolutely insane up the wall. You get the inspection report and the people tear the house apart. So I'm here today with my contractor and my property manager to make sure we address all the issues that we can address and which issues we're not going to address. So come on, I'll show you guys around the place and I'll tell you a little bit about the process. Beautiful day in paradise. Look at this place. Why would you ever want to leave Jersey? This is the house. It's in Avenel, it's a subsection of Woodbridge. I've got these monster trees out here. Thank God they didn't say anything about these trees, but we've got some other issues inside. So the story behind this house is that I was never intentionally going to buy this house, but one of my clients made an offer at a sheriff's sale, and then he didn't want to proceed, he wanted to back out. So instead of him losing his money, I stepped in and bought it. So I saved him, saved the relationship, and now I've taken a pretty good beating on this house, so hopefully I can restore and get some of my money back. Let's go ahead and check it out. Here, make yourself useful. Go over today.
Yep.
Alright, so what we got first? We got a left side masonry porch significantly deteriorated and pitched towards the structure. We are requesting it to be repaired or replaced. Left side masonry porch, so it's got to be this one right here.
Okay.
So remember we had talked about this porch getting fixed anyway?
Yeah.
¿Usted puede arreglar este porch con madera? He's busy?
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna
So
be
how
using
did they see under the deck?
I don't know.
Oh, there's a hole right here.
Oh.
Es que toda la basura la metieron ahí adentro.
Be careful.
Es que los que hicieron ese metieron toda la basura ahí adentro.
¿Qué, Pedro?
Sí, yo no sé qué serían.
Pero ahí lo que hay es eso.
Sí, toda la basura que había la metieron ahí adentro.
¿Usted lo vio?
Sí.
Entonces mejor tapar ese hueco, o they need to have that.
No. This is an access for the deck. That means we need to keep an access.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
All right, so we need to take everything out of there.
okay.
Oh my God, you want to look in there? With the
Yeah,
camera?
no.
You guys are crazy.
Insane.
All right, the other thing they're saying is that the windows, to repair all the windows that have like missing hardware, like see this one has missing hardware. This one is broken.
Ajá.
Esta ventana está mala.
Yeah, hay muchas ventanas que no han cambiado.
Esta mejor. Okay.
That one also?
Esta
Yeah. Y esas ventanas de allá, forget about it.
Yeah.
Water problems?
Yeah.
The only water problem that I think the inspector said the other day he came, it was over in that.
In there?
Yeah.
In here?
Yeah. He said there was.
This looks like it's from the porch.
Yeah. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Be careful there. There's a spider webs.
Yeah, it's okay. I'm used to spiders.
Yeah. Look at that. There's a tarantula living there. So yeah, it might be coming from the porch.
I think that's where. I don't even think the sun is working.
If it's working?
Yeah, I don't even think you need one. Yeah, he scared the shit out of me.
Yo pensaba que era una culebra.
I don't see anything wrong with this, and they pass inspection with this. Here's one. Right here.
Uh-huh. Okay.
That's probably the only one. You got that?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you didn't say anything about this. You see this? I'm surprised you didn't say anything.
I know.
That's hilarious. Son estas entonces. El único junction box está abierto.
Ajá.
El único. See, William, this is what it's supposed to look like.
Ajá.
You have a junction box. You're supposed to have closed up. All right, so we're at another property that we recently sold, but there's some repairs that still need to be done. So we're back here doing the right thing. Come, check it out. I'll show you what it is. Se cayó el líder de nuevo. ¿Qué se puede hacer para que...?
Hay que ponerle otra abrazadera.
All right, so we got
The only issue here
it's uneven. It's bowing. You don't tape? Yeah, these steps are jacked. This is even coming apart right here. So this is...
like climbing.
Yeah, who's been drinking here? Who's that?
The owners.
No, no way.
No kidding.
More garbage, huh?
Yeah.
Where did all this come from?
Well, it was left here from last time.
Oh, we gotta get we gotta get this stuff out. I don't know if Rafael can take it, but
No.
so my brother
It's gonna have to be.
so my brother made the sidewalk and he never came to take the wood out.
I guess not.
Yeah. All right, so I got time to come and take this wood out.
Gonna have to move the whole thing.
Yeah. Here we have to
Like a year.
here we have to get this aluminum around it.
Aluminum.
Yeah, we have to get it wrapped. This and look, the guy installed this and then he didn't put the he didn't install the doors, did he?
No.
These are new doors?
No. These are the doors here.
These were the doors?
The
He
only
just
thing
fixed
that he
them, right?
fixed, it was in order to open. The only
Okay.
thing that he put new, it was the bottom.
Oh, okay.
Because remember, it was like.
Because this usually has the covers on the ends,
Yeah, I know.
and
but
they're
he
missing.
He didn't do that.
Yeah, I don't even know who has DirecTV, man. Like, I don't even know if they're still in business.
Yeah, I have DirecTV.
You have DirecTV?
Yeah. My mom.
But does she have one of these old school ass antennas in her
Yeah.
house? Oh my god, really?
I know. In Clifton, you see every house with this.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Find out if this is the only cable here, man. Because if this is the only cable here, then we gotta leave it.
Yeah.
But if not, we gotta take this down.
Ajá.
You can smell it from here.
Yeah.
Eso es para el mojito.
You
Mira.
can smell it here. You know, you can chew on this too.
Igual que 15 así. Y huelió.
You're used to the coca one.
Huh?
You're used to the coca one.
Yeah.
All right, so we're all done. to head back to the office and make some calls. We need to call some people. We need more team members in different places. We're gonna call a bunch of agents today. Hopefully we get one that lands, or maybe more than one. We need people in every state, but really I'd like to start building out Florida sooner than later. So if you're a Florida agent, you're looking for someone to really help you get to that next level. I've been doing it for 20 years and I'm not stopping anytime soon. So if you want to come along and make more money than you've ever made before, go to Culture.estate. Send me a message. So we're here at the supermarket because we're going to be cheapskates and we're going to try to get free boxes from the supermarket so we don't have to buy any boxes at Home Depot to get ready to move to where? Where are we moving to?
California.
To California. We're not moving to California. We're moving to Florida. Silly goose. Florida. Can you say Florida?
Florida.
Florida, yes, of course.
Mean Florida.
Not Gorda, Florida. Come on, let's go.
I'm down here.
You're down here? Hi. Yeah. Say hi, Catalina. So, what are you doing today?
Today was Saturday. Bring my little baby.
You got your little baby?
Yeah.
And we're buying boxes? Or we got boxes for free because we're cheapskates. We don't want to pay them $2 boxes. That's too much money. Say goodbye to your subscribers.
Bye.
Tell
See
me-
you next time.
Tell them don't forget to hit the bell.
Yeah, but I'll see you in the roof.
You'll see her where?
In the roof.
And the ropes?
No, in the
Oh,
roof.
you can take this off now, by the way. In the where?
In the roof.
In the road?
No, on the roof.
Roof?
Yes.
I'll see you on the roof.
Yes.
Who's going to a roof?
Me.
You are?
Yes.
Why are you going on a roof?
It's the car roof, Papa.
Oh, the sunroof. Oh, okay. We understand now.
Again. Ooh, the feeling is hot when we're at the store. I do not like this song.
Change it.
Yeah.
All right, we'll change it. Sorry.
Papa, what was that song?
How about this one? How about this one? Leave it?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll see what she likes.